Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to use my Postepay card with Send. Guys, actually really simple. So why this actually happens, okay, let me explain to you. So basically the right settings are not enabled in the Postepay app, okay. Without this you may see an error message that says, unable to save a debit card on your Send account. So what you want to do, you want to come to your Postepay app. We're going to click on this option right here. The second option right here, you'll see this icon right here, like a wallet, and you want to click on accounts and cards, right? Click on this. This is accounts and cards. Click on this, and you're going to see this drop down menu, a bunch of options. You want to go here, and you want to turn on this. Okay, this means online purchases. Okay, so online purchases online. So enable online purchases online. You want to make sure this is toggled on, and then you want to come to this next option right here. What you want to do is select this and make sure you want to go all the way down, funds transfer, okay? Funds transfer, make sure this is on. So once you turn this on, you should now be able to add your debit card and send money to friends and family. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, guys. Comment down below if you're still having trouble and I'll help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can see you